TechnoC Level 1. C Programming for Beginners. Introduction to C Language, Basics of Programming, Compilers, Instructions, Algorithms, and Creating Simple Programs. The best project to introduce C programming for beginners. In this project, students learn the C programming language, which is recognized worldwide and used in a multitude of applications. TechnoC Level 1 teaches students the fundamentals of C programming, including designing and implementing C programs using loops, functions, etc. Recognize how C compares with other computer languages. Get familiar with the basic structure of a C program. Explore if statement and if-else decision-making instructions. Use switch control statement in C programming. Recognize the rules applicable to all C programs. Develop programs using sequential and decision control instructions. Design and implement C programs using loops. Design and implement C programs using functions. Add functions to the library. Explore different storage classes. TechnoC Level 1 includes Teacher Guide, Student Workbook, and more. Integrate technology into curriculum. Learn about the 32 keywords available in C. Solve mathematical calculations. Gain understanding on hierarchy of operations. Explore 3 ways for taking decisions in a program. Boost logical thinking skills. Practice critical thinking skills. Student acquires content knowledge, programming, operating environment, applied technology. TechnoC Level 1. Explore the basics of C programming. Contact us to learn more. Visit www.technokidsindia.com or www.knowledge-hub.com.